In this video, you'll learn how to change your default currency when using the Exness broker, specifically switching from USD to ZAR, South African Rand. First, open your Exness account and enter your login credentials. Once the account loads, tap the downward arrow at the top of the screen. This will display your available accounts, including real, demo, and archived accounts. Next, tap the plus icon and select Real Account. After selecting a real account, you'll be shown different account types such as Standard, Standard Cent, Pro, and Raw Spread. Choose the Standard account and tap Continue. On the Account Settings page, you'll see options to select your currency and leverage. Change the currency from USD to ZAR, which represents the South African Rand. Scroll down and select your preferred leverage, such as 1 to 2,000, then Continue. Next, enter a nickname for the account and tap Continue. You'll then be asked to create a trading password. The password should be between 8 and 15 characters and include a combination of uppercase letters, lowercase letters, numbers, and symbols. Once completed, submit the details to open the account. After the account is successfully created, it will be displayed on your account list, and your balance will now show in ZAR instead of USD. This confirms that the currency has been changed successfully.